Welcome back to our IGCSE ICT video series for data analysis, which is Microsoft Excel. So today we're going to be looking at two things. We're going to be looking at filtering data and also sorting data. So we'll be filtering data and sorting data. So we have our spreadsheet here that we are using for this series. So let's say we want to, let's first sort our data. Maybe as you can see here, we have Peggy at the beginning and we also have Dumsane. So our data is not sorted in any order. I want to sort this data, maybe want the names to come alphabetically. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to select everything that has to do with Peggy, because if maybe I can select here, then sort the data, it will only sort the names without leaving out the numbers on the right, the data on the right, and then that will make my data inconsistent. So what I have to do first, I have to know that you have to select everything that has to do with Peggy and any other student. Okay, so I've selected everything here, and then I click on the home tab, that is, I click sort and filter. Okay, I really like using this custom sort because it can sort data in using many different levels. Okay, so we can first sort our data. Let's say we'll sort by column A being the name, of the student. Okay, and maybe can add another level. We want to sort with column P again. So we want to sort with the name and with column P, which will display a fail or a pass or a repeat for a student. Okay, maybe pass, repeat, or promoted for a student. So okay, let's click OK. Okay, as you can see here, the first name here is now Andiswa Ayanda Peggy Busi Celiwe Dumsane Sebenele Sbiso and Simangele. So those names are now sorted alphabetically. So that's how we sort data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now I want us to filter the data. Let's say I want to filter the data based on, let me just remove this row here, this dead row. Okay, that you can sort our data. Okay, so I want to filter the data. So I've sorted the data in alphabetically. Now I want to filter the data. Maybe I want to show only the students that are going through to the next class. I want to sort students that are going through the next class. Okay, so these are the students who has a pass here and also promoted. So these are the students that have passed or have been promoted. So I will now select the titles. As you can see here, I'm selecting this titles here of my data, and then I will go to sort and filter, and then I will click filter. Okay, let me repeat the step once again. So I selected the titles of my table here. I've selected the titles of my table. Okay, and then on the home tab, I go to sort and filter, and then I select filter. So as you can notice, there will be now drop down arrows for this for the titles here. Next to each and every title there will be a drop down, so I can sort data using this titles. So this one is a number filter. Okay, but I want to sort with a text filter, with the text filter. So this is a text filter here. Okay, I can click here, and then I want student with the pass fail status of pass, or so I'll remove the end here and select the O, and then or this is supposed to be equals, this is supposed to be equals to promoted. So I want to display student with pass status of pass or promoted, and then I click OK. Okay, so let's check here. So there's no promoted actually, so there is promote yet in my filter here. Okay, let's check this filter out. Let's check my filter out here. Okay, let's clear, because maybe I've done a wrong filter here. So I can just click here on the drop down for this filter, and then click clear filter so that I can start afresh. Okay, and then I select again pass or fail, text filters, equals. So it's supposed to be pass or equals to promote, and I click OK. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 results. So as you can notice, this column, these rows here are now in blue because I've filtered some of the results. Okay, let's quickly look at a number filter now. Okay, maybe let's say we are looking for students who have passed the exam. So students who have passed an exam will have a mark of 60 or greater in the examination. Okay, so here in the exam, I will look for student with a mark number filter that is greater than or equal to, so it's greater than or equal to what? To 60, greater than or equal to 60, and then I click OK. So as you can see here, all those in the exam field, we have numbers that are greater or equal to 60. So that's how we create filters on our Microsoft Excel. So on the next video, we will be looking at how to print your spreadsheet, because you need to follow some specifications when printing a spreadsheet. So we'll look at how to print a spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel. So look at everything that has to do with printing on our next video. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified when I upload new videos for many of these series that are still to come. Thank you very much and have a good day.